Alright, so it's 9 at night, Sunday night. I'm gonna go pick something up for the Integra. It's gonna be a trade-off with cash on my end. I have the stuff in the back right now. It's gonna be I'm switching my regular 9801 taillights for the ukdm taillights. He's about an hour away. I'm gonna go pick up the money from the bank right now, and then I'm gonna go over there by myself. I think go over there. It's all the way like past LA, but it's a good deal, so I'm gonna go right now. So I'll just continue when I'm like in the freeway or something. Alright, so I'm currently on the way. I just passed Burbank about 5 minutes ago. I'm headed towards LA right now. I'll just keep you updated. Just on the freeway right now for another probably like 40 minutes just driving. But yeah, just continue. Alright, so I'm going back home. Right now I'm probably like 20 minutes out going back home. And I put my window down and it decided just to fall and take a shit on me. So I can't put my window back up anymore. So I'm stuck like this, like halfway open. All I'm gonna notice is he's trying to race. But yeah, I got the ukdm lights. They're in my trunk. I traded him for mine plus cash on top. And yeah, they're pretty nice. It has a little crack, but you can't really tell. So I'll show it probably tomorrow since it's already too dark, or maybe when I'm putting them back in my car. But yeah, it sucks that my window's gonna be open now since I have to take the car to work tomorrow. I might have to take the Integra now, but it's already all the way inside, so I'm gonna have to move some cars around. But yeah, they came out really clean, and it's a pretty good trade. I couldn't sleep on that offer even though it was an hour away. Yeah, I'm just going back home right now. I'll try to end off the video once I'm home. Killed my gas, man. 80 miles for some lights. Damn it. Let me put some gas. The 87 life. Boom. Alright, made it back home. It was running on E when I went to the gas station. Went almost all the way up with 20 bucks on 87. That's what I like about this car. There's the Integra inside all the way, so cars are blocking it. And look at this. You can't really tell, but I'm pressing the. It could go down. It'll go down. You hear it? How it's kind of falling, but to go up, that's the highest it'll go. Shit, man. And then the Integra's not even ready either because it doesn't have tail lights, and I need to redo the harness because I had to take it off. So I gotta try to figure this out right now, and then I'll show you the lights. So these are it right here. I'm just gonna quickly show you because my phone's about to die as well. This is one of them. I don't know if you can see it. ukdm lights. Let me show you the other one. Let me see which one's the one with the crack. This one's good. And then here's this one. I'll take a better video tomorrow when there's daylight. And here's the little crack right there. It's not even that big of a deal. I could live with that. But yeah, that's what I drove an hour for, and my window got wrecked. So if anyone wants some parts, come through, because my window's open. So yeah, I'm gonna sit for this video or until tomorrow so I could record it in the daylight. Alright, so I'm out of work. Just went inside, ate, and I'm gonna get started on the lights. Damn it. I'm gonna get started. I left the little cushions inside here. They were all wet. Nasty. But I left them in the car. Since yesterday I was just in a rush. I just want to go to sleep. This is how the car looks right now. No tail lights. Just open it up. Put the phone down. Alright. So here they are. Still can't believe I have them, man. I still can't believe I got these. I didn't think I was gonna get them so soon. I didn't even think I was ever gonna get these. So nice. But yeah, Daniel's coming over, so we're gonna go pick up. He ordered some suspension from a shop. He got the functional form type 1s, not the type 2s like the ones I have. He got the ones. We're gonna go pick him up. He's on his way. So I'm gonna just try to put these on real quick and surprise him since he doesn't know that I have these. Alright, I'm putting the first one right now. Looks so nice. And as I'm putting it, I'm noticing that this extra little bulb that goes here, this one right here, there's no like entrance for it. Like it's plugged. I don't know if I could take off this plug. I'll have to check that later, but that's weird. It doesn't come with this one. So this one's just gonna be loose for now. But let me continue. Oh look, he's here. Wow. I only did one. I didn't get to finish them. I didn't get to get a good, you know, like, I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, let me just put this on real quick. I don't know if he's gonna come out or not. But Daniel, come! Let's see what he says. Daniel! Daniel! Damn, it's windy, man. It was open the whole night, all day, with the hose since I didn't have any things. Daniel! Come! Yeah, come! Let's see what he says. I have no idea. And then, yeah, we're gonna go pick up suspension for Daniel right now. So he won't be a monster truck anymore. Huh?
No fucking way. Are you serious, dude?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Beast. Flexing.
That's fucking dope, dude.
Only thing is this little crack, but could rarely see it. It's very small.
When did they come in?
I got him yesterday. That's what I went for.
Oh, for real?
I traded him mine and some cash on top, and then these. Well, I'm gonna just finish bolting him up, and then we're gonna go get his suspension.